Hi, and welcome back to Fresh Track Fridays. I'm Chelsea.
And I'm Cameron.
And we're your Sierra-at-Tahoe snow reporters, here to give you all of the insider information and details you need to know. And in this video, you'll be learning everything chain control and chain installation.
During the winter season, sometimes Caltrans enforces chain controls when there's new snow. Chains are normally only required on non-four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles. Chains provide your vehicle with a little extra traction as you're traveling through ice and snow. Make sure you have chains or you know what chains you need for your vehicle before heading up to Sierra.
Here in the Sierra Nevada mountain range, weather is extremely unpredictable. You need to make sure that even on bluebird days, you've got chains in your car just in case. And before traveling, always check Caltrans for up-to-date highway conditions and road closures. Now Kyle, take it away with some chain tips for everyone.
Thanks, Chelsea. Let's jump right on into it. Normally we drive our trusty Subarus through any road conditions, but we do realize that a lot of people have two-wheel drive vehicles. Today we'll be going over a couple quick tips on installing chains. As was mentioned earlier in the video, two-wheel drive vehicles are required to wear chains in new snow. What's important to note is whether your car is rear or front-wheel drive. For the purpose of this video, we will be working on a front-wheel drive vehicle. The next most important thing to note is the size of your tire. You can often find it right on the tire itself, and once you have that, you can get the correct chains. For chain identification numbers, check out the link below. There's a variety of chains, so it's important to research what chain type is appropriate for your tire. This car requires cable chains. Other good things to have on hand are gloves, a source of light, and something to protect you from the ground. Before you install your chains, always make sure to pull off the road into a safe location. Once you're out of harm's way, turn on your hazard lights and begin the installation process. Different chains often have different installation steps, so make sure to always refer to the specific instructions that are included with your chains. We highly recommend to practice installing your chains at home to gain confidence with the installation process before the winter storm hits your area.
Thanks for those tips, Kyle. And here are a few key things to remember.
When chain controls are in effect, the speed limit is 30 miles an hour.
And never drive on bare pavement with chains. It can not only affect your car, but the roads as well.
Well, we hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.